guys, it's that girl Joy, and I'm just gonna be making a video in Bloxburg because I just wanted to tell you about hackers. So basically, I don't want to show you guys my house because I want to save it for another video, but people in Roblox are starting to hack people and looking at their inventory to see if they're rich and try to find a way to hack them. So basically, I don't want that to happen to you guys. I really don't want that to happen to you guys. So make sure you guys turn off your inventory. Turn off your inventory so no one can see it, not even your friends. It just got dark, but not even your friends. So make sure your inventory is all protected. This is an important thing to know because there is hackers coming back. There is hackers out there, and they could be bacon heads and stuff, and they could be tricking you out of your money and tricking you out of your Robux and stuff. So make sure you guys be careful. So I'm gonna show you guys how to turn off your inventory. What you do is go to settings, you go to privacy, and then you go to privacy, and then it says all this stuff. Who can see my inventory? Right here, you press no one, not even your friends, like no one. And then you can do the other ones too if you want, but I think I just left them the way it is. So basically that's how you also turn off your inventory. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this helped you. Comment down below if you need more of my help. If you need to find out certain things, I'll help you guys with it. So yeah, make sure to stay safe out there. Bye guys.